Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today in this tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make torn paper or the ripped paper effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing Instagram post as our canvas. Okay. So I will be using these two images for our work or for our design. So if you want, you can use any of your designs for your own work or for your own design purposes. For this tutorial I will be using these two images which are downloaded from pixels and unsplash.com. Both are the images are all free to use, and I will share the link in the description. You can find that and use those images for your own requirement. If you want to use your own design, you can also share your own design and tag us on our Instagram page, for which link will be in the description. So let's start with it. So I will be using this first image and I will click set image as background and I will make it bigger. Okay, so this looks good for me. I will just bring it in front so that you can understand in a better way. So this is the image, and now I will use the image of the tiger. So I will bring it here and I will use only the eyes part mainly. So I will try to crop the other parts which are not required for me. So let's see. If you can do it or not. Okay, so we have to see if the eyes are coming to the eyes length or not. Okay, so this one looks good. Okay, this is coming to the eyes length and this is also covering the eyes area. Okay, so as you can see, now we will bring the tone paper effect or the rip paper effect here. So as you can see, we have already kept the rip paper in the recently used section. You can find it in elements. As you can see, it is the paper rip frame. Okay, and after that you will just bring it here, rotate it according to the design and use it. We have to use in such a way so that it covers the portion which is coming here. Okay, so this is how I cover the upper part, and I will duplicate it and I will bring on here and I will just flip it and flip it in a horizontal. Okay, now I will just rotate it and bring on here. Okay, let's make it slightly smaller. And slightly rotate it so that we can cover the edges. Okay, so this is done. Now I will work on the now it's done, so I will work on the tiger image. Okay, so this is done, so I can just remove it for the timing so that I can work on this tiger image and just edit it a bit so that it looks better. Let's reduce the brightness a bit. So this one looks good with this saturation. Keep the saturation high. Okay, now let's work on the highlights and some on the shadows part. Okay, so this looks good. Now I will just adjust this paper frame here. Okay, so this you can see a great paper rip effect is presented right through from this image, and hope you like this tutorial, and please follow us on Instagram, and please do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for our latest updates. Thank you.